Hello from the food forest. So after 3 or was it even 4 days of rain, altogether we got 123 millimeters of rain, which does not happen very often during our subtropical winter here in Queensland, Australia. So finally the sun came out, and this is a fantastic opportunity to have a look around and see what happens in the food forest now. We have a second half of August, so yeah, pretty much only a couple of weeks left, a couple of our subtropical winter left, and let's have a look what's going on here. I will show you some highlights and hope you enjoy the video, and as usually I will see you at the end of this of the video again. So let's get started, and if you like it, don't forget to like, subscribe if you still didn't, and leave a comment below. I always love to read your comments. So let's go. The tamarillo recovered really well after the frost. I can see lots of new growth. We can still see here the frost damage, but there is lots and lots of new leaves emerging and lots of flowers, so I might be lucky and have tamarillos this season, so I will see. This is our new project, so 2 additional garden beds are already here. We have put them together and we'll start to filling them, probably because I have plenty to clean in the food forest, so it's like lots. I will start with this and fill the garden beds with it before we then go on with compost and soil and so on. Here you will see everywhere the self-seeding lettuce, the Chinese lettuce. Really yummy, very healthy lettuce that we enjoy. And here the carrots. I have started already to thin them out because as usually I have them too close, but a really nice size is already there. With the mandarins, we are pretty much halfway through. I am juicing them together with grapefruits. This is a really good combination because they are so super sweet, and grapefruit is a bit tangy. So yeah, together, perfection. And I have to hurry up because they are pretty much all ready to go now. So yeah, enjoying them every day. You cannot imagine what happened. The crazy guinea fowls came, and because I have seen them like they are jumping out of the food forest, and they have eaten some of the outer leaves of the young cabbages. Luckily not the middle, so they will recover, but because of the silly birds I had to cover the garden beds with my young cabbages. And with my beetroots, just to make sure. Oh, the net came off, so I have to fix it later. Yeah, they didn't touch these cabbages here, luckily. But I have here some sweet peas growing here as well now, so I have to fix the net into the place later on. Here, this garden bed, the cabbage is nearly done. I've done lots and lots of sauerkraut and also coleslaw and some pickled cabbage as well in jars. Yeah, we love cabbage, you know that already probably. I'm still waiting with the bananas to clean the leaves. For now, they are good protection just in case we get frost again. The citrus trees, all of them nearly starting to get a new growth. Lots of beautiful new leaves. And little babas. And delicious. They smell so beautiful. New flowers. Look at the beauties. So yeah, pretty much all citrus. Even I'm still not ready with the harvest with most of them, especially the mandarins and the grapefruits. We are getting already new growth. Look at the frost damage of these bananas. But a new leaf is coming here again, so they are all fine. Here the ruby red, still plenty of them. They are so pretty. My latest addition, the Maya lemon. Got lots of beautiful new growth and new flower buds. So it looks like she really likes it here. Oh, look at it, look at it. Wow. So many flowers. Beautiful. And my favorite, oh, one of my favorites, the low cut, is nearly there. It's a really good size fruit this season. I will definitely enjoy them. We are still harvesting the beautiful passion fruit. The white sapoti is also waking up, looking very nice and happy. And guess what? The Ceylon Hill gooseberry is showing new flower buds and new leaves. And as promised, I have a little ones already, little plants, but they are still too tiny to put them up on my website. So, but yeah, we're getting there. This will be again a bumper crop of the Ceylon Hill gooseberries. Yum yum. The elderberry, the European elderberry, Sambucus nigra, is having lots of new growth again, and berries forming too. And let's have a look at the mulberry. Mulberry is going nuts, and I'm really hoping that the birds will be nice to us this time and we get some some delicious mulberries to eat. And already look at the beautiful leaves. Mulberry leaves make delicious tea, so I'm looking forward. I see I can already harvest some. And I always dehydrate them because the tea is always better when you do from dehydrated, from dry leaves of flowers. So yeah, I can actually harvest some. Nice. The yellow cherry guava and also the strawberry guava got already nice young fruit. So here is the second mulberry, also loaded. Look, it's so pretty. A beautiful cotton, always happy. Look at the beauties, at the fluffy fruit. And actually, I have seen a bird a couple of days ago that was picking on the fibers and was taking them with it to probably build a nest. How lovely is this, huh? So even just for the birds, it is worth growing it, and it grows so easily. Lots of flowers on the pigeon pea, and already new peas forming, and the Malabar chestnut lost all its leaves and is showing a new growth now. So yeah, looking good. And there another mulberry that is overloaded. So doesn't take much longer. Nice. And I can see a new growth on the sunshinashi and lots of new buds. I'm wondering if we get a fruit now. Oh, here's some new growth too. So it's here, it's second year now here in the ground, and it will be lovely to have fruit. Still waiting, we will see. Oh, look at it. Passion fruits to collect. I have to come with my basket. And I didn't notice we had already, so they are nearly over, with flowers on the yellow, on the gold plum. Oh, look at the Arnold blood orange. Lots and lots of new little branches and leaves. And here the second lime tree with its pretty flowers. Look at the poor bananas. The new leaves are fine, and I can see over there, I can see the flower coming. They will all recover well, and all the leaves, all the dry leaves, all the dry bits will go into the garden bed. And our apple had some flowers, but we won't get any apples probably because the other one, the second apple, doesn't flower yet, so we have to wait until the trees are more mature, I guess. So there is the second one. It's also got a new growth, but no flowers yet. I did cut all the bananas here. You can see the old growth, the old plants when I planted the apple, because this banana was growing for too long in one place and I have them growing somewhere else, so I didn't want them grow near the apple, and this was the best place for apple in my opinion. And look at it now regrew all of it, so I have, before it get too strong, I have to cut it again. And yeah, this will also go all to the new garden beds. Oh, look at the Okinawa, the beautiful Okinawa. Okinawa is a perennial spinach, and it tastes really nice. You need to only plant it once, or you can also grow it in pot if you live in a cooler region, in cooler area, so you can take it inside during winter. But yeah, growing so nicely, and the leaves, they are really delicious and beautiful in salads and stir fries. So yeah, this is the Okinawa spinach. And here little flower buds of the Okinawa. They got beautiful flowers too. Here more Chinese sword lettuce or Chinese tree lettuce, all self-seeded. And our little pond with the fishes. The fishes are pretty happy because they got lots of new water in there to enjoy. So yeah, all over the food forest seem happy. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. Lots is happening. I really hope we don't get any more frost. We still have 2 weeks to go, and actually last year at the same time, I think it was the second last day of August, we did actually get frost, -2 degrees Celsius. So I don't need it anymore, neither my plants. So we see what happens. And now it will be lovely to hear from you what is happening in your gardens, in all the different places. I always love to read your comments. It is like, like we would talk to each other. Because usually when you watch the video, I'm only talking. But it would be lovely to hear back from you what is happening at your place. So yeah, jump to the comment section and let me know. And I will be having now a coffee. It is always a good time for coffee, even if it's afternoon. I love coffee. And I hopefully see you next time. Bye bye.